Hello guys, welcome to another interesting video of Accessible Computing YouTube channel, Accessible Computing, access to technology with accessibility. For more content, you can visit our official blog, which is accessiblecomputing.blogspot.com. The link is also available in the video description. In this audio tutorial, we will be letting you know the new feature of WhatsApp, how to use the poll feature in your WhatsApp web or WhatsApp desktop. If you have not received the update or the feature, you can just update the WhatsApp or wait for the next update. But yeah, definitely if you're using the WhatsApp web service, you can able to use that feature. So I think you are excited to know how to use this feature. If you're excited, press the like button. Do like, share, subscribe for more videos. Press the bell icon, choose all notifications to get latest updates. And don't forget to share your opinion into the comment section. Without any delay, let's start. I'm already open my browser and open web.whatsapp.com, and my focus is on a chat on our WhatsApp group.
Accessible Computing 2126 U.
So this is our English WhatsApp group. Those who want to join, just visit the description below and or come to our official blog or website, whatever you can say. There you will find an option called community. Click on community. There you will be able to join us on various social media platforms. So those who want to join WhatsApp group, just follow our website. Okay. So now my focus is on Accessible Computing's WhatsApp group. So I'm pressing enter.
Content info landmark. Type a message.
I'm
multi-line blank.
Navigating by using Shift tab.
Open images message list. Press right arrow key on the message.
So
to
see.
poll from you 2126. Did you get the poll feature? Top vote counts. Yes. 3. No. 1. Interaction with polls will be available in the next update section.
So interactions polls also, interactions polls will be coming in the next update, I think. So I am not going to discuss about that feature because today we are going to discuss about how you can create a poll or you can check. So let's start.
New votes button. Poll from you 2126.
So poll from you means I have already poll. I have already sent a poll. Those who have joined in this group, they can give the vote. Okay. So how to check the poll? I will tell you how to check the answer first. So if I press down arrow, it says
View votes button.
View votes button. So let me press enter here.
Button open images panel. Banner landmark close.
So I'm pressing down arrow.
Heading level 1 poll details.
Poll details. So let me press down arrow and please listen carefully.
Did you get the poll feature?
This is a question. Did you get the poll feature? This was my question which I have asked to my community.
Yes.
Yes.
3 votes.
3 votes.
Plus 9195.
These are the numbers or these are the persons who have polled on this feature, and you also see the time.
Aramaji. Today at 21 Shyamala. Today at Shyamala leads arc. Today at 2127.
Today at 21:27 means Sham who have vote on 21:20 means 9:20 p.m. So I'm pressing down arrow.
Plus 91 Akbar. Today at 20 no.
Now next option was no. So let's see.
1 vote.
1 vote. So someone who didn't receive the WhatsApp poll.
Plus 91 9 Aramaji. Today at 2146. Today at 2146. Today at 20.
Okay, so you can give yes and no both options. So I don't know. It may be the mistake. I mean, it may be the bug of this feature, because if you wish, you can give the both options. You can choose both options, but that is not the right thing, right? Now I'm just pressing escape key. Now let me show you how you can create. For this, just go to
menu button message list. Press right button attach button. Type a message attach button.
Click on attach button.
Application list poll 8 of 8 level 1.
So this is a poll. So I'm pressing enter on poll.
Dialog open images panel button edit multi-line blank.
So first edit box is ask questions, but how do you know? For this, I'm just pressing escape, pressing up arrow.
Out of edit ask question.
Ask question.
Button edit multi-line.
So here you have to enter the questions. If you wish, you can add
Out of edit button open images panel.
emojis. Okay, so now let me show you the next. I'm pressing down arrow. Options.
Add. Button
Add.
multi-line.
So here you need to press enter and type the first option.
Out of edit button open images panel.
Similarly, you can add emoji in your option if you wish.
Add button edit multi-line.
Then the second
Out
option,
of edit button open images button unavailable send. Button edit multi-line.
when you tap the second option, a third edit box will be opened. If you wish, you can add. Okay, when you enter the third option, the fourth will be opened. So I don't know actually how many options you can give, because there is no mentions here. And below that,
Out of edit button open images button unavailable
send button. So now the button is unavailable because I have not written anything on the above edit boxes. So this is the way you can easily send polls and you can check polls. The poll feature is very good, but what is the why it is required for the personal chat? Because if you see any personal chat in that in any personal chat, you will be able to create the poll, but I don't know what is the use of poll, especially in personal chat. So guys, if you know, then let me know, then share into the comment section. I will see your opinion, your comment, and also share this video with your friends and others, then they can able to know. And one more thing, just go to attach button and you can easily create poll from your phone also. So don't think we just showed you how to do the poll, how to create the poll from PC, how to do the same from mobile phone. It is very easy. Okay, so still if you have any doubts, you can query, you can ask into the comment section. You can join our official Telegram group, WhatsApp group, Facebook group. There I will available and I will try to answer all of your queries. So thank you friends, this is for today. See you in the next video. Till then, stay safe, take care, bye bye.